This is Lazada. This is for Bruno. Yeah,
What's that?
This is his new collar.
Wow, it's very nice.
Yeah, camouflage. He's military. He's a little Marine. So we got him a new collar. We bought him a new collar before, but it was too big. And when we realized it, it was too late to send it back for a refund. So we got this one. This one should be very well for him. He'll start wearing this one, effective immediately for his training. And this here, I believe, this is food.
Food.
Oh, wait. What's all this? Oh, no. You know what this is?
Ah, your boots.
These are my boots to clean the doo-doo outside, so I don't get doo-doo on my foot. Wow.
Wow. So it's Lazada. Mike loves Lazada. He always order in Lazada, right, honey?
Yeah.